Warning: Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. Naniniwala ho ako sa dalawang mga revenue-generating bureaus ng ating pamahalaan. And I believe na kung talagang makukuha ho talaga ng mga tamang taong umupo dyan, talagang i-deliver yung sinasabi ho nating dapat makita ni Juan de la Cruz at revenue-generating bureaus, customs, and the BIR. Kasi yan ho talaga ang siyang magdadala ho sa atin kung yung mga collection ho ng buwis ay tama. Ako ho'y nagwo-worry lamang sa balita ho ngayon because I've been trying to analyze the news in the newspaper written all over Inquirer na yun na nga daw ho, mas-centralize ng operation of Bureau of Customs. What else is new, man? Come on, you yellow journalists! Where is that computerization that says real-time na mamonitor mo online ang bawat, proactively bago dumating yung kargamento galing sa anong lugar? Doon pa lang makikita mo sa Inward Foreign Manifest. Tapos makikita mo na kung ilan ang dokumento na yan, ilan, gaano kalaki, tonelada man yan, ang equivalent na buwis na babawasan mo. Until then, you keep on talking and blabbering your mouth. See, that's what they call yellow media. I'm looking for the word computers. Real time. Monitored sa Palasyo, monitored ng Department of Finance si Dominguez, monitored by every other sectors in agriculture and every other na talagang pati NEDA para makita proactively na makikita ng buwis kung tama o hindi. Ang problema, pag naglagay ho tayo ng mga taong kung sino mga honghang, mga sabihin natin ewan,